Hello, magandang maulan hapon sa ating lahat mga kaibigan, mga followers. Kantahan muna natin kasi may request. I can't remember where you weren't there, when I didn't care, where anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can't do. Through the years you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, you've never been afraid. I've loved the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you touched everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through your sins to me, I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years I never held down. We've always worked things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. Never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Thank you so much. Magandang maulan na hapon sa ating lahat mga kaibigan and followers. Have a blessed day sa ating lahat.